Hello friends. Halloween is a holiday celebrated each year on October 31. Halloween has not always been about costume and candy. In fact, we have tradition a celestic harvest festival to thank for our present day celebration. In celebration of this year's big event, let's look on the history of Halloween. Ancient origin of Halloween in Europe. Halloween's origin date back to the ancient celestic festival and Samhain. The Celeste, who lived 2000 years ago, mostly in the area that is now Ireland and the United Kingdom and North France, celebrated the New Year on November 1st. This day is marked at the end of the summer and the harvest and the beginning of the dark, cold winter, a time of the year that was often associated with the human death. Celts believed that on the night before the New Year, the boundary between a world of the living and the dead became a blurred. On the night of the October 31st, he celebrates Samhain. So it was believed that the ghost of the dead returned to the earth. In addition to showing two religious based holiday in this time each year, that is All Saints Day and All Soul Day, help to shape what we celebrate as a Halloween today. Let's know about All Saints Day. Journey from the marriage day of the 6th century, which is on May 13, to All Saints Day on November 1st. By the 9th century, the influence of the Christianity has been spread into the Celtic lands, where it is gradually blended with an supplemented old Celtic rites. In 1000 AD, the church made November 2nd All Souls Day, a day to honor the dead. It is widely believed today that the church was attempting to replace a Celtic festival of dead with a related church sanctioned holiday. All Souls Day was celebrated similar to the Samhain, was big bonfire parades and dressing up in the costume as a saints, angels and devils. The All Saints' Day celebration was also called Hallows or All Hallow Mass. So the costume for the Halloween is traced to the church holiday of All Hallows, that is All Saints' Day. How Halloween comes to America. Colonial Halloween festival are also featured the telling of the ghost stories and mischief making of all kind. By the middle of 19th century, annual autumn festival was common, but Halloween was not yet celebrated everywhere in the country. In the second half of the 19th century, America was flooded with the new immigrant, and the is a new immigrant, especially of millions of Irish fleeing the Irish potato famine, helped to popularize the celebration of Halloween nationally. When the holidays come to the US, costume become more about distinguished oneself to pull harmless pranks, things like painting windows and putting a porch rocking chairs on the rooftop. What is history of the trick or treating? Borrowing from the European tradition, Americans began to dress up in the costume and go to the house asking for the food or money, a practice that eventually became today's trick or treat tradition. Young women believe that on Halloween they could divine the name or appearance of their future husband by doing tricks with yarn, apples, paring, or mirrors. In the 1822 or so, kids used to do something called pumpkin tricks, explaining that the kids will find the pumpkin, carve a face into it, light it up with the stuff of a candle, and hang it on the string outside the window of the local farmer. How Halloween parties begins. By the 1920 and 1930, Halloween had become a secular and community-centered holiday, with the parades and town-wide Halloween parties as the featured entertainment. Despite the best effort of many schools and community, vandalism became a plague and some celebration in many communities during this time. By the 1950s, the town leader had successfully limited vandalism, and Halloween has evolved into holidays directed mainly at the young. As the holiday evolved, tricks turns more sinister, and civic organization tries to rid towns of mischief by gearing the holidays toward the children. Between 1920 and 1950, the century-old practices of tricks or treating was also revived. Tricks or treating was a relatively inexpensive way for an entire community to share a Halloween celebration. In theory, families could also prevent tricks being played on them by providing the neighborhood children with small treats. Thus, a new American tradition was born and it has continued to grow. Today's Americans spend an estimated $6 billion annually on Halloween, making it the country's second largest commercial holiday after Christmas. Thanks for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe my channel.